Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss examples and solve problems from the chapter matrices, page number 84. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. The first example is given as find the determinant of the matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. So finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So first let us assume that the matrix is in the form of A, B, C, D and the determinant value is AD minus BC. So here in the place of A 1 is there, in the place of B minus 1, in the place of C minus 3, in the place of D 1. So now let us substitute in this formula AD minus BC. So the determinant is 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1. 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So that is equals to 1 minus into plus minus 3. 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. Next, second example. Find the minor of minus 1 and plus 3. For minus 1 and 3 we need to find out the minor, and the matrix is given as 2 minus 1 4 0 minus 2 5 minus 3 1 3. Okay, this is the matrix. So for this matrix we need to find out the minor for the number minus 1. First let us find for minus 1, minor of minus 1. So simply in the given matrix, wherever minus 1 is there, remove that complete column as well as remove that complete row. So here we have minus 1. So minus 1, in which row it is there, remove that row. In which column it is there, remove that column. Now we will remains with 4 elements. Make those 4 elements as 2 by 2 matrix. 0 5 minus 3 3. So now for this 2 by 2 matrix we need to find out the determinant. So that is 0 into 3 minus 3 into 5. 0 into 3 it is 3 minus 3 into 5 minus 15. Sorry, 0 into 3 is 0. 0 minus into minus plus 15. 0 plus 15 it is 15. So the minor of minus 1 is 15. Next we need to find out the minor of 3 also. So let me draw the matrix again. 2 minus 1 4 0 minus 2 5 minus 3 1 3. So he's asking us to find the minor of 3. Here 3 is there. So in which row 3 is there, remove the total row. In which column 3 is there, remove the total column. So now we will remains with 2 by 2 matrix. 2 minus 1 0 minus 2. Find the determinant of this. So minor of 3 equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 0 into minus 1. That will be equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 0 into anything 0. So minus 4 minus 0 it is minus 4. Next, example 3. In the example 3 he is asking to find the cofactor of the elements 2 and minus 5. The given matrix is minus 1 0 5 1 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 and 3. Okay, now we need to find out the cofactor. So first let me go with the cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2. First let us check where 2 is there in that. This is 2. That is second row, second column. So minus 1 power second row plus the second column into. Now in which row number 2 is there, remove the total row. In which row in which column number 2 is there, remove the total column also. Then we get 1 2 by 2 matrix, that is minus 1 5 minus 4, 3. So find the determinant for this. That is minus 1 into 3 minus 4 into 5. Okay, let's simplify this. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 4 into 5 minus 20. So which is nothing but minus 1 whole power 4 1 into minus 3 minus into minus plus 20, which is equals to 1 into minus 3 plus 20, it is 17. So this is nothing but 17. So cofactor of the element 2 is 17. Next, one more is asking, find the cofactor of minus 5. Okay, first let me go with the matrix again. Minus 1, 0, 5. 1, 2, minus 2. Minus 4, minus 5, 3. So, we need to find the cofactor of minus 5. So, this is minus 5. So, first term, minus 1 power. What is the position of it? This is third row, second column. Third row, second column. 3 plus 2 into. Now, in which row number minus 5 is there? Remove the total row as well as total column. Then remains with minus 1, 5, 1, minus 2. For this 2 by 2 matrix, we need to find out the determinant. So, minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into 5. So we get minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2 5 into minus 1 into minus 2 2 minus 5 ones are 5. So which is equals to minus 1 whole power 5 minus 1 into 2 minus 5, it is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, it is nothing but plus 3. So this is the cofactor of minus 5. Next, example 4. Find the determinant of the matrix. He gave 3 by 3 matrix. 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 4, minus 2 and 5. So whenever we are finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, remember these symbols. First row, first element should be plus. First row, second element should be minus. First row, third element should be plus. I am not speaking about the symbols for these elements. I am speaking the symbol in the process. Okay, you will understand now in the next step. For example, now, okay, take the first row, first column element, that is 1. So it should be plus. So plus 1 into. Now remove that total column as well as total row. Then we need to find the determinant of 0, 4, minus 2, 5. Let us find it out. 0 into 5 minus 2 into 4. Now, first completed. Let us go with the second element of first row. That is minus 1. So, we need to keep the negative symbol. Again, negative symbol. Again minus 1 into. Now remove the total column and total row. Then we remains with 3, 4, minus 4, 5. If you find out the determinant for this, 3 into 5, 15, minus 4 into 4. Next, third element in the first row. Third element in the first row is 2. So for that, plus symbol should be there. So plus 2 into. Now remove the total column as well as total row. Then we remains with 3, 0, minus 4, minus 2. If you determine 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 0. Okay, this is the process to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now let us simplify this. 1 into 0 into 5, 0, minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Next, minus into minus, plus 1 into 15, minus minus 4 into 4, it is minus 16, plus 2 into plus 2 into 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6, minus 4 into 0, 0. Then still if we simplify this, 1 into 0, minus into minus 8, plus 8, plus 1 into 15, plus 16, plus 2 into minus 6. Now if we simplify to get the final answer, 1 into 0 plus 8, 8, plus 1 into 15 plus 16, 36, plus 2 into minus 6. Okay, 1 8 is 8, plus 1 into 36, 36, minus 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12. Oh, sorry, here I did calculation mistake. 15 plus 36, 15 plus 16 is 31. Okay, now 8 plus 31, it will become 39 minus 12. 39 minus 12 is nothing but 27. So the determinant of the given 3 by 3 matrix is 27. Next, let us move to the solved problem. Solved problem 1. Show that the matrix 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square, that is equals to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay, now for finding this answer, we will be having two methods. I will explain both the methods. Which one you feel easy, go with that method. The first method is finding the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. That is just like the previous example now. So that is, first row, first element, it should be plus, then should be minus, then should be plus. Those are the symbols which we will follow for the process. So now plus 1 into this total column and total row, if we remove, we remains with B square C square. So if we find out the determine for this, B into C square, B C square, minus C into B square, CB square. Next, first row second element if we take, that is minus A, it should be minus A into, if we remove that total column as well as total row, then we remains with 1 B square, 1 C square. If we find out the determinant for this, 1 into C square, it is C square, minus 1 into B square, B square. The next third element if we observe, that should be plus A square. So plus A square into, now the total row as well as total column if we remove, total column, total row, then remaining is 1A, 1B, 1B, 1C. So 1 into C minus 1 into B. So C minus B. Now if we simplify this, one into anything, that same will come. So BC square minus CB square, minus A into C square minus AC square, minus A into minus B square plus AB square, plus A square into C plus A square C, plus A square into minus B minus A square B. Now if we observe the RHS clearly, what we need to get in that RHS? Okay, let us observe that. In the RHS, we need to get A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. If we multiply all these numbers, A into B, it is AB, AB into C, ABC. So definitely in the LHS also we need to get one term which is ABC. But whereas in this we don't have any ABC, so that's why what I will do, add plus ABC minus ABC. So for the given to whatever the answer we got, for that I will add ABC and I will subtract ABC. So we get BC square minus CB square minus AC square plus AB square plus A square C minus A square B. Now writing plus ABC minus ABC. So now from these all the terms we need to take common. So from which terms I will take common? That is from the first term BC square, from the second term minus CB square, from the third term minus AC square, and from the last second term ABC. From all these four terms I will take C common. So if I say C common, here BC square is there, so C is there 2 times, already 1 time we wrote, and B is extra, so BC minus, here we have CB square, already C completed, then we remains with B square. Next third term AC square is there, so it will be minus AC square is there, already C completed, then we remains with AC. Next this last second term ABC is there, already C completed, then remains with AB. Now if we observe the remaining 4 terms, this one, this one, this one and this one, from those 4 terms I will take out minus A common. So if we take out minus A common, then what remains? Let us check from the last onwards, otherwise from here only we will check, no problem. AB square is there, which is plus, but we took here minus common, so that plus will become minus. AB square is there, A already completed, then we remains with B square, so it is minus B square. Next plus A square C is there, but already we took minus common, so then it will be minus. A square C is there, A already completed, then remains with AC. Next minus A square B is there, already minus we took common, so it will be plus. A square B already completed, then remains with AB. Next last term minus ABC is there, so already A we completed outside, then remains with BC. Okay, now let us observe this clearly. Here BC is there, here also BC is there. Here minus B square is there, here also minus B square is there. Here minus AC is there, here also minus AC is there. Here AB is there, here also AB is there. So I will take this, it means this total is exactly equals to this total. So I will take the total common, then BC minus B square minus AC plus AB. I am taking common. So this total completed, we remains with C. This total completed, we remains with minus A. Now from the first one also, if anything possible to take the common means we will take that common. Then let us check it out now. Here we have BC minus B square, right? From the first and second terms I will take out B common, then we remains with C minus B. Then from the third and fourth terms I will take out minus A common, then we remains with C minus B. Next one as it is, I am writing C minus A. Then comes here C minus B is there, here also C minus B is there, so write it once, C minus B, then remaining will be B minus A into C minus A. Next, what is asking to show in the RHS? In the RHS is asking to show that A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. A minus B, but here we have B minus A, and B minus C, but we have C minus B into C minus A. So only this last part is correct, whereas these first two are different. So for that what I will do is, from C minus B I will take minus symbol common. So if we take out minus common, minus b will become plus b, plus c will become minus c. The same way from the second one also I will take out minus common. So if I take out minus common, minus a will become plus a, plus b will become minus b, into last one as it is c minus a. Okay, now if we simplify this, here we have minus, here also we have minus, minus into minus plus, then we remains with b minus c into a minus b into c minus a. If this only I will write it in order, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This is first order, I mean first method. Next, second method. This second method is altering the rows or else columns. Let us check it out. So now the same question I am writing again. First solve the problem. Show that 1a a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. Then show that it is equals to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So in this what we will do? We will do some changes in the elements, especially in the single row or else two rows or one column or two columns or entirely matrix only. So now let us check one by one. So what I will do is, if I have two zeros either completely in the row or else in the column, for example this one, if these two are zeros means finding the determinant will become easy. Otherwise if these two are zeros, then finding the determinant will become easy. So my first intention is how many numbers I can able to make it zeros, those many elements I will make zeros. But compulsory we need to follow the rules and regulations. While explaining the problem I will say what are those. First, what I will do is, the total second row I will try to change. That total second row I will write it as R2 minus R1. The same way total third row also I will try to change. Total third row I will write it as R3 minus R1. Okay, let us check now. What does it mean? First row I am not changing anything. So write the first row as it is. That is 1a square. Okay, first row completed. Now what I said the condition, second row I will write it as R2 minus R1. Second row minus first row. So this is second row element, this is first row element. 1 minus 1. Second row element, first row element. B minus a. Second row element, first row element. B square minus a square. The same way I said for R3 also, that is third row. Okay, for third row also I will do the same then. Okay, what is third row? R3 minus R1. So R3 minus R1. So it will become 1 minus 1. R3 minus R1. C minus A. Then R3 minus R1, C square minus A square. So this is the modified matrix. That's it. Okay, now let us simplify this. 1 as it is, a as it is, a square also as it is. 1 minus 1 0, b minus a as it is, b square minus a square as it is. Next 1 minus 1 0, c minus a as it is, c square minus a square as it is. Okay, now if we observe here two zeros are there, so then it will become easy to find the determinant. So now what I will do is, I'll find the determinant according to the first column. So this will become plus, this will become minus, then this will become plus. Instead of going through the first row, I am going through the second row now. Sorry, first column. Now plus 1 into remove that total column as well as the total row, then we remains with b minus a into c square minus a square minus c minus a into b square minus a square. Now second element if we take, that is 0. 0 into anything, 0 only. Here also 0. 0 into anything is 0 only. So no need to do that at all. That's why we are doing some modification to the rows or columns to get these zeros, because our calculation will become easy. Okay, now let us simplify this further. Plus 1 is not necessary because 1 into anything is into same only. So now we remains with b minus a into, here we have c square minus a square. That c square minus a square can be written as c minus a into c plus a square minus b square formula, minus c minus a as it is into b square minus a square can be written as b minus a into b plus a square minus b square formula. Okay, now if we observe this total line clearly, here b minus a is there, here also b minus a is there, here c minus a is there, here also c minus a is there. So from the two terms, I will take out b minus a into c minus a common. Here b minus a, c minus a completed, then remains with c plus a. So c plus a minus, here b minus a into c minus a completed, then remains with b plus a. So we remains with b minus a into c minus a into, I'll open this bracket, c plus a minus into b minus into plus a minus a. So here plus a minus a will get cancelled, then we remains with b minus a into c minus a into c minus b. But in the RHS he is asking us to show that a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. C minus a is as it is, but b minus a is there, but we want a minus b. So what I will do, I will take out minus common, then minus a will become plus a, plus b will become minus b. The same I will do from the third also, taking minus common, then minus b will become plus b, plus c will become minus c into c minus a as usual. Okay, now here minus symbol is there, so minus into minus plus, then we remains a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Hence proved. These are the two methods where we can able to find these kind of questions. Now I will say what are the problems or the difficulties in the method 1 as well as in the method 2. First, if we observe the method 1. In the method 1 directly we did the determinant, but the problem is adding or subtracting some numbers, and then after we won't get some clarity from which terms we need to take which element or which alphabet common. So these two problems will be there in the method 1. Of course, if we practice more number of questions, this will become very easy. Next, coming to the second method. In the second method, the biggest problem or difficulty is which rows we need to do subtraction or which columns we need to do subtraction. This is the biggest problem. So in the method 1 also, in the method 2 also, some problems or difficulties are there. So to overcome those difficulties, we need to practice more and more number of questions. Then only it will become easy. Okay, now let's move to the second solved problem. So the problem is given b plus c, c plus a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. That is equals to 2 ABC, BCA, CAB. Okay, he is asking us, without expanding the determinant, show that B plus C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C plus A equals to 2 into ABC, BCA, CAB. So in this question he is clearly mentioning that without expanding. So without expanding means we can't go with the first method, that is finding the determinant directly. So now we have only one option, that is the second method, that is changing rows and doing some modifications in the rows. Okay, let us do that now. Here in the RHS we have number 2, but in the LHS I don't have any number 2 at all. So first, to get the number 2, I will change the row 1. Row 1 I will write it as row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Then it will become row 1 can be written as R1, that is B plus C, plus R2 C plus A, plus R3 A plus B. The same with the second element, C plus A plus A plus B plus B plus C. I will write a little smaller, it's not sufficient. Okay, first row if you look at it, B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. For the first row I am adding second row as well as third row. Next the same way with second element also, C plus A plus A plus B plus B plus C. The same with third element also, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. Now I am not going to do anything with the second row as third row. So second row, third row I will write it as it is, that is C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Okay, now let us simplify this. B plus B 2B, A plus A 2A, C plus C 2C. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Here also same, AA, BB, CC. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C. A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. So I will write it as 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Same second element, 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Same third element, 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Next remaining rows I am writing as it is, that is C plus A plus B, B plus C. Then comes A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Next, from the first row if we observe 2A, 2B, 2C, in every term 2 is common, so I will take out 2 common, then we remains with A plus B plus C. Same with the second element, 2 into A plus B plus C. Same with third element, 2 into A plus B plus C. Now remaining rows I will write as it is, C plus A plus B, B plus C. Okay, now third row also as it is, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Now from the first row, in every element 2 is common, so that 2 completely I will bring outside of the matrix. So if I bring that outside completely, then we remains with A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Remaining rows as it is, that is C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Now what I will do, for the row 2, that is R2, I will write it as R2 minus R1. Then same time for R3, I will do it as R3 minus R1. Okay, let us do it now. So R1 I don't have any work now, R1 I will write as it is, 2 into matrix, first row as it is, that is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Okay, now what about R2? So row 2 if I take R2 minus R1, that is C plus A minus this total. So it will become C plus A. For this total element minus, right? So every element should be minus then. Minus A, minus B, minus C. Plus C, minus C cancel. Then plus A minus A cancel. So we remains with minus B. Write that minus B here. Next, R2 minus R1 with the second element. a plus b minus this. So it will become a plus b minus a minus b minus c. Plus a minus a cancel, plus b minus b cancel, then we remains with minus c. Next comes third element in the second row. B plus c minus a minus b minus c. Plus c minus c cancel, plus b minus b cancel, then we remains with minus a. Next, third row, I am doing R3 minus R1. So R3 is a plus b minus R1. For this total element negative. So minus a minus b minus c. Plus a minus a cancel, plus b minus b cancel, then we remains with minus c. The same with the second element also. B plus c minus a minus b minus c, plus b minus b cancel, plus c minus c cancel, then we remains with minus a. Same with the third element also. C plus a minus b minus c, plus c minus c cancel, plus a minus a cancel, then we remains with minus b. So this is what we got. Okay, next what I will do, in the RHS, if you observe clearly, we want only ABC, BCA, CAB only. So no other numbers, no plus, no minus at all. So for getting like that, in the first row I have extra, these all extra. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is there. But according to the RHS, I want here only A, here only B, here only C. So to cut the remaining, what I will do is, here B plus C is there, here minus B minus C is there, here A plus C is there, here minus A minus C is there, here A plus B is there, here minus A minus B is there. So just simply adding the rows. So first row, I will write it as R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what it will become? 2 as it is into A plus B plus C, R2 plus R3, right? So minus B minus C. The same way with second element, A plus B plus C minus C minus A. Third element, A plus B plus C minus A minus B. Then second row, third row I'll write as it is. Minus B minus C minus A minus C minus A minus B. So now if you do for simplification or cancellation, plus B minus B cancel, plus C minus C cancel, plus C minus C plus A minus A, plus A minus A plus B minus B. Then what else is remaining? 2 times A, B, C, minus B minus C minus A, minus C minus A minus B. In the second row, for all the elements having negative symbol, so that's why I will take negative symbol also common. So minus 2. First row as it is ABC. Now second row, from all the elements we took negative common, then it will become positives B, C, A. Now third row I am writing as it is, that is minus C minus A minus B. Now what I will do, for the third row also I will take out negative symbol common again. Already we have negative symbol, so one more negative symbol will come, minus into 2. A, B, C, B, C, A, minus C will become plus C, minus A will become plus A, minus B will become plus B. So then minus into minus plus, plus into 2, plus 2. It times A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Hence proved. Solved problem 3. Show that 1a square b cube, 1b square b cube, 1c square c cube is equals to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. So in this also I will try to get some numbers as zeros. So for that what I will do is, R1 I will make R1 minus R3. At the same time R2 I will make R2 minus R3. Okay, let us check now. R1 is nothing but R1 minus R3. So it will become 1 minus 1 a square minus c square b cube minus c cube. Next, the same way R2 is nothing but R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 1 b square minus c square b cube minus c cube. Oh, sorry, here question I wrote wrong. This is a cube actually. A cube. So that here also it will come a cube minus c cube. Okay. Now last row I am not doing anything, so it will be as it is 1 c square c cube. Now if we simplify this, 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Then comes a square minus c square. Then comes a cube minus c cube. Next 1 minus 1, 0. B square minus c square. Then comes b cube minus c cube. Last one will be as it is 1 c square c cube. Now in the RHS, if we observe clearly, we want a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So to get those numbers, what I will do is in the first row as well as in the second row, some modifications I will do. First element 0 as it is. Second element we have a square minus c square. That a square minus c square can be written as a minus c into a plus c. Next, a cube minus c cube formula is a minus c into a square plus b square plus ac. The same way from the second row also 0 as it is. B square minus c square can be written as b minus c into b plus c. B cube minus c cube can be written as b minus c into b square plus c square plus bc. Third row I cannot do anything, so I will write as it is 1 c square c cube. Okay, now if we observe the first row, first element, that is 0 only. So from 0 we can take anything common, because 0 into anything is 0 only. Here a minus c, here a minus c. So from the first element, second element, third element, I will take out a minus c common. The same way from the second row also, here b minus c is there, here b minus c is there. Anyway, the first element is 0 only. So from the second row, I am taking b minus c common. Okay, now let us write the remaining then. 0 as usual. Here a minus c completed, then we remains with a plus c. No need of brackets, I think. Okay, next here a minus c completed, then remains with a square plus b square plus ac. The same way second row also 0 as it is. B minus c gone, then remains with b plus c. Then here b square plus c square plus bc. Third row as it is 1 c square c cube. Okay, next what I will do is, the second row I will change now. R2, I will write it as R2 minus R1. So outside we have a minus c into b minus c, that as it is, into first row as it is 0 a plus c a square plus b square oh sorry here actually a cube minus c cube, right? From the term onwards I am keeping a b square, sorry. So it should be actually c square. Then here also it should be c square, will not b square again. C square. Okay, now R2 is nothing but R2 minus R1. So let me do this now. 0 minus 0, 0 only, no problem. Then b plus c minus a plus c. So b plus c, minus is for this total, so every element will become minus. Minus a minus c. Plus c minus c cancel, then we remains with b minus a. Then here b square plus c square plus bc, that a square will become minus a square, plus c square will become minus c square, plus ac will become minus ac. Now third row I am writing as it is, that is 1, yes, c square is there, right? 1 c square c cube as it is, 1 c square c cube. Okay, now if we simplify further, outside a minus c into b minus c common, I mean as usual, into 0 a plus c oh sorry, here I wrote half only, that is a square plus c square plus ac, right? Okay, so first row as it is, that is a 0 a plus c, then comes a square plus c square plus ac. Next 0 as it is, b minus a as it is, then comes any cancellation is possible in this, plus c square minus c square cancel, so v remains with b square plus c plus bc minus a square minus ac. Then third as it is 1 c square c cube. Next in the right side we want a minus c into b minus c into b minus a also. So here b minus a is there, so in this also b minus a should be there. So for that I will do some factorization here. Only that element I am taking, that is b square plus bc minus a square minus ac. From the first and second terms I will take out b common, then we remains with b plus c. The same way in the third and fourth terms also I will take out minus a common. Then if I take out minus a common, if I take out minus a common, then we remains with a plus c. No, this is what exactly we don't want, because here b plus c is there, means here also compulsory b plus c only should be there. So this factorization is wrong. Let me go with another guess. So I have the third term element b square plus c square minus ac minus ac. So now what I will do, first term third term I will write together, that is b square minus a square, then plus bc minus ac together. Now this b square minus a square can be written as b plus a into b minus a. Then from these two terms I will take out simply c common, then we remains with b minus a. Okay, now here b minus a, here b minus a is there, so I will take out that b minus a common, then v remains with b plus a plus c. So now in the place of this b square plus bc minus a square minus c, I will substitute with this b minus a into b minus a into b plus a plus c, that is only a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Okay, now 0 means we can take out anything common. Here b minus a is there, here also b minus a is there. So from the second row I am taking b minus a common. Then outside numbers a minus c into b minus c, a minus c into b minus c into, now we are taking b minus a common, so that also will be added to this, into first row as it is 0 a plus c, 0 a plus c, a square plus c square plus ac. Now second row 0 as it is, b minus a we took common, so we remains with 1. Here b minus a completed, then we remains with a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Third row as it is now, that is 1 c square c cube. Okay, now this outer numbers as it is, that is a minus c into b minus c into b minus a into, so here two zeros are there, then I will find the determinant according to the column. so that this total we need to, oh sorry, not that one, this one, because 1 is here in the third row, right? So total third row and first column we need to remove. Then whatever we are remaining with, it will become a 2 by 2 matrix. I will write that one as it is, a plus c, and then a square plus c square plus ac. Then here 1, it will become a plus b plus c. Okay, now outer numbers as it is, a minus c into b minus c into b minus a into this, into that is a plus c into a plus b plus c minus this one, a square plus c square plus ac. Okay, let us do it now. Outer numbers as it is, a minus c into b minus c into b minus a times a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac. Then second element, c into a, ca, c into b, cb, c into c, c square. Next, minus a into square, minus a square, minus into c square, minus c square, minus into ac. It will become minus ac. Let me close this. Now if any simplification is possible, means let us do that simplification. Anyway, first numbers we can't do anything, so write it as it is. That is a minus c into b minus c into b minus a, b minus a. Okay, now next, into here plus a square minus a square cancel, plus c square minus c square cancel, plus ac minus ac cancel. Then remains with ab plus bc plus ac or ca. So now in the RHS he is asking us to show that a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Actually we want c minus a, but here we have a minus c. Here we have b minus a, but we want a minus b. So from this first one and from the third one I will take out minus symbol common. So if I take out minus symbol common from the first one, minus c will become plus c, plus a will become minus a. Then second one as it is. From the third one also, if I take out the negative symbol common, then minus a will become plus a, plus b will become minus b, into this one as it is, that is ab plus ca plus ca. Now here this is minus, so minus into minus it will become plus. Then our final answer is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. Just I am writing it in order. So hence proved. Next, solved problem 4. If omega is complex cube root of 1, then show that 1 omega, omega square, omega, omega square, 1, omega square, 1 and omega equals to 0. So he clearly said that if omega is complex cube root of 1, then we can write that as omega cube is equals to 1. Now this 1 I will take to the left side, then we get omega cube minus 1 equals to 0. Omega cube as it is minus 1 I will write it as omega cube, which is equals to 0. So now this is omega cube minus 1 cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube formula. So a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b, that is omega minus 1 into omega square plus 1 square plus 1 into omega, that is equals to 0. Now this first one make it equals to 0, this second one also make it equals to 0. So we get omega minus 1 equals to 0, or else omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. So this minus 1, if we take another side, it will become plus 1. So we will get omega is equals to 1. Otherwise, omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. So now these two formulas, from these two, this second one I am going to use in this. That is omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. Now to get this omega square plus omega plus 1, this 3 should be there for one element completely, but here only 1 is there. For that, omega and omega square is missing. Here only omega is there. For that, 1 and omega square is missing. Here only omega square is there. For that, 1 and omega is missing. So to get all those, for the row 1, I will add row 1, row 2, row 3, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what it will become? 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega plus omega square. Second element, omega plus omega square plus 1. Omega plus omega square plus 1. The same way, third element, omega square plus 1 plus omega. Omega square plus 1 plus omega. This is first row, and second row, third row as it is now. Okay, second row is omega square 1. Omega square 1, and third row is omega square 1 omega. Omega square 1 omega. Okay, let us simplify this now further. Already we know the formula, omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. So this value will become 0, this will become 0, this will also become 0. So now the first row will be total zeros, 0, 0, 0. Then comes omega square 1, then omega square 1 and omega. So now to find out the determinant, I will take the first row, that is 0. So 0 into anything is 0 only. So our answer will be equals to 0. Hence proved. Next, solve problem 5. Show that a minus b minus c, 2a, 2a, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. That is equals to a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, here I'll try to get zeros in the first row. First row I will try to get zeros. Okay, let us do that now. So what I will do is, for that, first of all, R1 I will change. R1 I will make it to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what it will become? A minus b minus c as it is. Then plus 2b, then plus 2c. The same way, second element, 2a as it is, plus b minus c minus a plus 2c. Then third element will become 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b. This is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now second row as it is, that it will become 2b. This is b minus c minus a, and this is 2b. Third row also as it is, that is 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Now let us simplify if any possibility is there. Only element a is there, so element a as it is. Then here minus b plus 2b is there, it will become plus b. Minus c plus 2c, it will become plus c. The same way with the second, 2a minus a, only plus b. Minus c plus 2c plus c. Next, 2a minus a, 2b minus b, then c. Now second row writing as it is, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b. Third row also as it is, 2c, 2c, C minus A minus B. Next, let us simplify further this one. Now if you observe the first row, here A plus B plus C is there, here also A plus B plus C is there, here also A plus B plus C is there. So from the first row I am taking A plus B plus C common. Then we remains with first row all will be ones because A plus B plus C we are taking common. Then remaining rows as it is 2B, B minus C, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Then now what I will do is for the second column I will write it as column 2 minus column 1. The same way column 3 I will change it as column 3 minus column 1. Okay, let us do it. So outside A plus B plus C is there, so that is as it is. First column also as it is. A plus B plus C. First column 1, 2B, 2C. I am reading according to the column wise 1, 2B, 2C. Next, second column we need to change. So second column we need to change it as C2 minus C1. It means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Then B minus C minus A minus 2B. B minus C minus A minus 2B. Then same with third element 2C minus 2C. 2C minus 2C. Now let's move to the third column. So third column also I am going with C3 minus C1. So then it will become C3 minus C1. 1 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1. Then comes 2B minus 2B. 2B minus 2B. Then last element C minus A minus B minus 2C. C minus A minus B minus 2C. Okay, now let us simplify this. Outside A plus B plus C as it is. A plus B plus C into 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. 2B as it is. So B minus 2B. It will become minus B. Minus C minus A. Next 2B minus 2B. It is 0. Third row if we move 2C as it is. 2C minus 2C 0. Then plus C minus C cancel. No, I don't think so. I wrote it wrong somewhere. Okay, sorry, it is C minus A minus B. This is B, not C. Okay. Okay, done. Now, minus A as it is. Minus B also as it is. C minus 2C minus C. So, this is the final step we got. Now, A plus B plus C into... I will go with the first element. Determinant, I will go with the first element, that is 1. So that this total column we need to remove, this total row we need to remove. Then it will become minus B minus C minus A 0. 0 minus A minus B minus C. Okay, now outside number as it is, that is A plus B plus C into, if you find out the determinant, this into this. That is minus B minus C minus A into minus A minus B minus C. These are zeros only, so that's why I'm not writing, because 0 into 0, 0 only. Now comes A plus B plus C into, from the second term I will take out minus common, then minus B will become plus B, minus C will become plus C, minus A will become plus A. That minus I am writing outside. Into, same from the third also I am taking minus common, then it will become plus A plus B plus C. That minus I am keeping outside again. So now it will become minus into minus plus. So A plus B plus C into second one, if I write in order, A plus B plus C. Third one is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is 3 times completely. So then we can conclude it as A plus B plus C whole power 3. Next, solved problem 6. Show that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. So skew symmetric matrix we want. For that I am taking one matrix A where the elements are 0 minus C minus B, C 0 minus A, B A 0. So what is the meaning of skew symmetric matrix? Transpose of the matrix is equals to negative of the matrix. So this matrix will satisfy that condition. Then this is skew symmetric. Now let us find the determinant of this. First it should be plus, then it should be minus, then it should be plus. So first plus 0 into 0 minus A into A. Then minus C into minus C row and minus C column. If we have remove, then we remains with C into 0 minus B into minus A. Then last element, if you move to plus minus B into this, if we remove C into A minus 0 into B. Okay, let us simplify this. This total is 0 into anything is 0, so I don't have any work with that now. Next, minus into minus plus C into 0, 0, no need. Minus B into minus A, AB. Next here plus into minus B into A into C, AC. Minus 0 into B, I don't have any work because it is 0 only. Okay, now final answer if we simplify. 0 not needed. C into AB, ABC minus B into AC, ABC. I wrote in order. ABC minus ABC, 0. So we proved that determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. Next one, 7th solved problem. This is the last problem in the solved problems. Solved problem 7. Find the value of x if x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, x minus 4, 2x minus 9, 3x minus 16, x minus 8, 2x minus 27, 3x minus 64. That is equals to 0. He only gave that this total matrix is equals to, determinant equals to 0. Then find the x value. So first what I will do for this is, row 2 I will change. R2 I will write it as R2 minus R1. The same way R3 I will write it as R3 minus R1. Okay, let us do that now. So row 1 as it is, that is x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 4. Now row 2 is nothing but row 2 minus row 1. So that is x minus 4. For this total minus, it means plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So minus x plus 2. X will get cancelled. Then remains minus 4 plus 2. It is minus 2. The same way next element, R2 minus R3, that is 2x minus 9 minus 2x plus 3. 2x cancel, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. The same with the third element also. 3x minus 16 minus 3x plus 4. Here 3x cancel, minus 16 plus 4, it is minus 12. Now the same with third row. R3 minus R1 we want. So x minus 8 minus x plus 4, these two cancel, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. Then next element 2x minus 27. Oh sorry, I want to do R3 minus R1, right? I'm sorry, I did here R3 minus R2. Actually we need to do R3 minus R1. Okay, let me go with again. X minus 8 minus x plus 2. This will become 2x minus 27 minus 2x plus 3. 3x minus 64 minus 3x plus 4. Here x cancel, 2x cancel, 3x cancel. Then the elements will be minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, minus 27 plus 3 minus 24, minus 64 plus 4 minus 60. He clearly mentioned that this is equals to 0. the determinant equals to 0. He only gave it to the question. Okay, now second row, if we observe, minus 2, minus 6, minus 12. Minus symbol I will take common. Then 2 will come in 2 table, 6 will come in 2 table, 12 also will come in 2 table. So 2 also I will take out. Then next from the third row, minus, 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 minus I will take common. Then 6 table 6 will come, 6 table 24 will come, 6 table 60 will come. So 6 also I will take common. Then remains first one as it is, that will be x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. Then comes 1, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. From the third row I am taking 6 common, right? So 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 6 10s are 60, which is equals to 0. Here left side completely minus into minus plus, 2 6 are 12. That total I will take to another side. So 0 divided by 12, that is nothing but 0. Then we remains with x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, 1 3 6, 1 4 10 equals to 0. Now for this I am going to find the matrix, determinant. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, now so x minus 2 into x minus 2 column, x minus 2 row, if we delete 3 into 10, 30, minus 4 6 are 24. Then comes minus 2x minus 3 into deleting the complete row of 2x minus 3 and column of 2x minus 3. Then remains 1 10s are 10, minus 1 6 are 6. Then last element plus 3x minus 4 into 3x minus 4, if we remove the row and element, so 1 4s are 4, minus 1 3s are 3, which is equals to 0. Okay, now let us simplify this. X minus 2 as it is into 30 minus 24, it is 6, minus 2x minus 3 into 10 minus 6, 4, plus 3x minus 4 into 4 minus 3, 1, which is equals to 0. So if I simplify one by one, x into 6, 6x, minus 2 into 6, minus 12, minus into 2x, minus 2x, sorry, I will keep that minus as it is, then otherwise it's better. From here I will multiply. 4 into 2x, 8x, minus 4 3s are 12, plus 3x minus 1 into 4 is nothing but 3x minus 4 only, that is equals to 0. Now completely I will remove the brackets so that we get 6x minus 12 minus into 8x, minus into minus 12 plus 12 plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, let us do now. 6x minus 8x minus 2x plus 3x, x, minus 12 plus 12 cancel, then remains with minus 4 equals to 0. So we want x value, then take this minus 4 to the right side, then we remains with x is equals to 4. Hence x value is 4. Till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.